Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a different command that exists in Windows to view who is currently logged into the system. This is a trick similar to PS logged on, and it will show you who's logged on. You can also use it to check out who's logged on in remote sessions, and if you have proper privilege to do it, you can also view who's logged into a system and kick them off if necessary, particularly if they're sitting there logged in and they're not actually doing anything with the system, they just stayed logged in. So to do that, in Windows 7 or previous versions, you're going to click on here, and the search and run down here, you'll type in CMD and hit enter. In Windows 10, you're going to type into the search bar that's down here, or click on your little search icon, which is the hourglass, and type in CMD and hit enter. Now once you're in, to view your current system, you can type in Qwinsta and just hit enter. As you can see, I'm the only person that's logged in. This is a very good way to view and make sure there's not someone connected to your system that isn't supposed to be. This is also a good way to find out if you've been hacked and you have a hacker currently logged onto your computer. Not a good thing to have, and a very quick, easy way to see. The other thing is you can use Rwinsta and you can kick the person off. So Q is to query, R is to remove, and it will help you out a lot, especially as a system admin. If you are doing system administration, if you're administering your own devices, you can see who's logged in. So give me just a second and I'll show you how to actually do that on a system that is a remote system of yours or a remote system on your network. So first of all, if you really want to see the syntax and how to use Qwinsta, just type in Qwinsta / after put a space / hit enter, and this will give you the full layout and how to use it. So now we're going to type in Qwinsta space / server : and then the name of the system, and then hit enter. And as you can see, once I finally got the command in properly, that the only person logged into that system is administrator. So that was looking at my lab server, and by doing that I can see that administrator's on there. Now I'm going to connect up to it via a remote desktop session. I'll show you how to use Qwinsta to see if someone's logged on that's not doing anything, and then how to kick them off. Okay, so I'm going to hit up now. I've logged in remote desktop, hit enter, and you will now see that there is one on there that is actually logged on via the RDP, and you can see it by the RDP WD. So in order to kick myself off as administrator through RDP, you're going to type in Rwinsta / to get the command syntax, and your session name is the RDP-TCP number 0. So we're going to use Rwinsta space RDP-TCP number 0, that's the session name, / server : and then the server name. And of course I put in Winsta wrong, so we got to go back and redo that, hit enter. And according to that, it has achieved its goal. So in order to tell, we can do Qwinsta space / server : and then the server name. And of course, I spelled Qwinsta wrong again, so let me go back and correct it. And you can see now that console, RDP, TCP are in a listen state. So that is one way to be able to view who is connected to a system and how to remotely kick them off. This information is out there for absolutely everybody. As always, watch, like, and share. Have a great day.